this morning to the sound of violent rain. Grab my board and hit the water, wash away the pain. The ocean's got a message and it's calling out my name. Living life out here is never gonna be the same. Got my crew together, yeah, we're posted by the shore. Cold drinks and good vibes, what you asking for? The sun is shining bright long after morning storms have passed. These are the moments, yeah, we're gonna make them last. Feel the ocean breeze blow, let your worries all go. This is how we live life right, every day and every night. To that island state of mind where I wanna stay. No stress, no pressure, just another perfect day. From the mountains to the sea, this is home to me. Living out our spirit, wild and free. Ocean breeze, yeah, it's taking me away. Barefoot in the sand, chilling out with my friends, singing all the songs about this beautiful island. The suns are painting pictures that no artist could create. Grateful for this blessing, man, I'm feeling really great. We gather around the fire when the stars come out to play, sharing all the stories from another island day. The rhythm of the waves is like a lullaby so sweet. This Hawaiian heartbeat got me moving to the beat. Taste the salt upon your lips, let the current take your hips. This is paradise for real, nothing fake, just what you feel. To that island state of mind where I wanna stay. No stress, no pressure, just another perfect day. From the mountains to the sea, this is home to me. Living out our spirit, wild and free. Ocean breeze, yeah, it's taking me away. Listen to the palms sway, watch the dolphins come and play. Every single moment here makes all my troubles disappear. Island magic in the air, not a worry, not a care. This is where I'm meant to be, forever by the sea. From Waikiki to Hanalei, every corner of these shores, this is what we're living for. The spirit of the islands running deep within our souls. This feeling never gets old. To that island state of mind where I wanna stay. No stress, no pressure, just another perfect day.